gentlemen, welcome to Barcelona. Local time here is approximately 16 minutes after 8 in the morning. Please remain seated until the captain's brought the aircraft to a complete and final stop and turn the seatbelt sign out. That will be your first indication it's safe to move into the aisle. Please remember to take all personal articles with you when you leave the aircraft.